Welcome to EDC Ideas, and let's start with the 5 most underrated KNIPEX products for EDC. I talked a lot about the KNIPEX Cobra series and the KNIPEX Pliers Wrench series, and don't get me wrong, these are excellent EDC tools, but these tools are very popular in the EDC community. Not that popular, but also a high quality tool for EDC. These are the KNIPEX needle nose combination pliers. It's one of my most used tools in my EDC toolkits, and I love the design and the quality of the plier head. When we check out other plier heads, for example from plier-based multi-tools like this plier head of the Leatherman Pulse, the quality and the functionality level of the KNIPEX plier heads is on another level. One of my favorite combinations, especially when I'm looking for a poor man's Leatherman, is a Victorinox Outrider in combination with the needle nose combination pliers from KNIPEX. All in all, a great set, very useful for EDC, bushcraft and survival. One of my all-time favorites from KNIPEX, let's talk about this cool little item here. We have a cool leather sheath with the KNIPEX logo and the red stitching. And inside you find the EDC fries fork from KNIPEX. I think that this product from KNIPEX is a discontinued product. All I know is this was a project from the KNIPEX Junior company. You find different cool items for the KNIPEX fan community. I really like this cool little EDC fork, one of my all-time favorites for EDC. The next item, KNIPEX is very popular for high quality pliers, but they are also well known for high quality utility keys. In the utility key product line, the KNIPEX Twin Key is definitely one of the flagship models. It's a heavy duty design and you have a lot of options for different locking systems. I love the magnetic concept of the KNIPEX Twin Key, so you can carry both together or you can carry them in a standalone version. This cool tool from KNIPEX comes also with a bit holder. You have the possibility to adapt a double-sided bit that comes also with the key. This is a Phillips head and a flat head version. We have talked about the heavy-duty version when it comes to universal keys, but there's also a lightweight version from KNIPEX, especially when you are looking for a keychain carry. The next version is a bolt cutter from KNIPEX, especially when you are looking for a tool in a larger toolkit. This one is definitely a great choice. I love the 160mm version. I think that's the smallest version of the series and the only model that fits in a normal sized or bigger sized toolkit. Compared to other wire cutting options in an EDC toolkit, you will reach the next level with the KNIPEX products, high quality and used from professionals. When it comes to wire cutting, this one is the first choice for an EDC toolkit. Please let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts to underrated KNIPEX tools for EDC, what are your favorites for your toolkit.